What a fucking bitch, bruh. Honestly. And if I had a damn missile, I would just... If I had a spare missile, I'd throw it at that bitch, man. I really, really would. And I know that's not very becoming of me, but I'll be dang, bro. If I had like a little bitty... Dude, if somebody was throwing tear gas and I had a gas mask and one extra, I'd put one on and then I just fucking wouldn't tell her about the other one, you feel me? So, that's how I'm feeling right now.